How to make a Lego parrot. You will need a Lego that looks like a ramp with. You need two things that look like a ramp. Then you put one bottom corner on top of the two dots like that. Now you have a Lego parrot. Squawk, squawk.